Hi, I'm Christina Heidick with PTO Answers, and today I'm going to teach you how to word things for your membership forms or your membership letters or fundraising letters, anything that you need to send out to teachers or families. I'm going to tell you exactly how to word it. And that is in plain English. So you are just going to word the letter just like you talk. There is no magic wording, no combination of words that is going to make it more likely to that'll entrance or enchant. No, you know what I mean? Like put a spell on people and where they'll be like, oh, now I see. You're going to connect with families better and more readily when you just actually use real words. So you're not going to get all fancy. You're not there's just, I don't know, there's just so many people who are like, can you show me an example of how you word this? I'm telling you, the best way to do it is if you were just going to explain it to your BFF that's not involved. It's pretty much all you do. You just use real words, real language, your language. Doesn't have to be super fancy. Just have someone proofread it so it makes sure it's all spelled correctly and that it all makes sense. And that's really the whole secret to it. So I don't think you should be intimidated about sending something out or being like, oh, but I'm not a good writer. Listen, I am like the world's worst writer, and look how many articles I have on my blog. People read them because it's written in real English. It's very approachable. So when you are approachable, when you are just like normal person human, that is when people are going to want to connect with you and get involved. If you send home a very stuffy corporate written letter, they are not going to appreciate that at all. And they are just going to be like, don't have time for that nonsense. So I hope this video has given you a little more confidence about how to word things when you're sending home letters, asks, whatever, for fundraising, new members, all that good stuff. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe to the channel so that you can be alerted when I upload a new video. Until later, take care.